నాకు నిజంగా ఐశ్వర్య రాయ్ని ఓకే దిస్ ఇస్ ఆన్ బిహాఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ద బాయ్స్ ఫ్రమ్ తెలుగు అక్రాస్ ద వరల్డ్ యు ఆర్ లైక్ వావ్
Not just the
You're
boys,
like,
all the
wow.
girls also. All the girls also.
ఫస్ట్ మాట్లాడాలి
ఓకే
Who's talking?
ఓకే
ఫస్ట్ మాట్లాడాలి
మ్యామ్
తర్వాత
అసలు
మీరు.
all of us are waiting with bated breath just for a hi from you. Please speak.
Good evening. మీ అందరికీ నమస్కారం. I am so happy to be here. Thank you so much for such a warm welcome. Everybody here in Hyderabad and all over the state, all over the country actually. People have been so loving. So thank you for such a warm welcome. We are very proud as Team Ponniyin Selvan to be here sharing our labor of love with all of you. And while we have had the privilege of working with such a talented team, and like Trisha said already, and each of our colleagues have said, that in every city, it is our pleasure and privilege to mention every one of the talents we have worked with. All of you here, Jayam Ravi sir, Karthi sir, Vikram sir, Trisha, Sharad sir, Vikram Prabhu, your father, Prabhu sir, Aishwarya, and of course, Rahman Garu, you and Mani Garu, Ravi sir, Tota Tarni sir, Nani sir, every talent who has worked on making this movie. It has been our honor and our privilege to have been a part of Mani sir's labor of love. Every assistant director, every technician, crew member, everybody on camera, they have, like Sharad sir rightly said, you've created a painting on celluloid. And for us to have had the opportunity to bring Mani Garu's dream to life on celluloid has been a creative privilege and honor and a memory we will cherish forever. But honestly, that all comes to fruition when you, our ever-loving audience, go out there and view it and enjoy it as much as we did making it. So thank you so much yet again for being here, giving us your love, showing us your support, and truly we believe you all will enjoy viewing this movie as much as we had making it. God bless and love you all, and thank you Hasini ma'am. Hasini ma'am is here, who between her and Mani Garu, we won't say who is the better half, they are the complete picture. Y'all really have been magical in my personal journey. I got to do my first movie with Mani Garu, with Yuma, and you'll always be family to me. Thank you so much, love you. And Rahman sir, I had the privilege of bringing so many of your magical creations, being a part of it on celluloid to translate, and it remains a memory in my life visually and lyrically and musically, completely soul-stirring. Thank you. I've been part of your magical combination with Mani Garu, but I've also had the honor of doing so many more movies with your music in it. So thank you, sir. It'll always be a very special part of my life. Thank you. God bless. Love you all. Thank you so much.
All right. Well, now that Trisha Garu and Aishwarya Garu is here, we have just one question from all the fans of Mani Ratnam sir. Both of you have worked with Mani sir over the years.
Yes.
Is there one difference that you've seen in Mani sir then and now? First, Trisha Garu, please.
I think he's a much calmer person now. Yeah. Yeah. That's the difference I very visibly saw.
Oh, Okay, and Aishwarya ma'am?
Magic is enduring. I don't think we want to see change. Magic is ever enduring.
All right, well said. That is Aishwarya Rai garu and Trisha garu.
హేమంత్ ఐ ఫీల్ పర్లేదు తిట్టినా పర్లేదు అడిగేద్దాం
అడిగేద్దామా?
అడిగేద్దాం
Okay.
అడిగేద్దాం మ్యామ్ సెల్ఫీ మ్యామ్ దా వద్దా నీకు థ్యాంక్ యూ
Okay. So this is
Pleasure.
మీ అందరి బదులు నేను ఉన్నాను అనుకోండి. Thank you very much.
Thank
Love you always. Thank
I
you.
love
love you
Thank you so
both of you forever. Thanks a lot for being here today. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thanks so much.
Thank you so
guys.
much.